Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Vilash and my trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. My dear friends, yesterday market came to the support of 2470 again, and surprisingly, market recovered immediately. To be honest, after seeing these big, massive red candles, I was not expecting this amount of recovery. Okay, I also took a small sale also. Around this around 2487 area, I thought that okay, maybe I'll get to see some reversal, but when I saw that, okay, my god, okay, market formed this candle, I had to exit immediately. And thank god I exited, because yes, market made a high of 2450. My goodness. So right now we can see the market is ranging around 2500 and 2470. This is the current range of the market here. But keep in mind, the overall range of the market is this 2530 to 2470, and right now market is trading near the highs of 2500. So there's a high chance that during the day market will try to go up again. So overall range is still the same. We can expect the market to remain within the range till tomorrow. Why tomorrow? Tomorrow is NFP. Okay, NFP is one of the most crucial and important event for all of us. And if we look at the present market sentiment, we can see gold steady, investors await US jobs data. As we all know, before a major event like NFP, CPI, market usually prefers to stay silent. Market doesn't move much. If market move also, expect a sideways market, choppy market. Do not think that there will be a sudden drop in the market and gold will go to 2350, 2400, or gold will break 2530 and go up. No, this is not going to happen, because usually market prefers to stay within a range, because market is mostly waiting for a news. And as we all know, news are important because they give direction to the market. Clear? Now let's look at the trading opportunities. Where is the cursor? Yeah. So volume is going to play a major role, critical role here, because our levels will only work if the volume of the market is low. For example, you can see right now the size of the candles are not very big. So if you see market going down with these type of candles, then you can expect the market to uh, take support, market to bounce. But if we get to see candles like yesterday, then obviously selling pressure, buying pressure is high, and no level will work. Keep that in mind. We always focus on levels, we always give importance to price, but we all forget that volume also play a very critical role. And if you look at the economy calendar, US session is going to be crazy again. US session is going to be volatile again. So please be careful during the US session. Follow the trend of the market. Okay, do not look for reversals. It will not work. And our levels also will not work, because right now the levels that are in front of us are minor levels. Okay, they do not have the capacity to change the direction of the market. Okay, so these are the levels that we can expect to work during the Asian and European session only. Okay, so let's discuss one by one. First of all, 2500 is working as resistance right now. This is the resistance of the market right now. So if market breaks the level here, next selling opportunity will come around 2507 to 2508. This is the next level where you can look for a sell, and the second selling opportunity will come around 2517 to 2518. This is the second selling opportunity. Why we are considering these two levels only? We can see around 250708 we have FIBO 61.8% retracement level. Along with that, you can see we have the 200 moving average. Okay, and 251718 area because of FIBO 78.6% retracement level. Plus market has shown good price rejection around this area previously. And in this type of market situation where market is waiting for a fundamental factor, obviously we can expect that market will face some resistance. But keep in mind, during the US session, if you see a big green candle, follow with the candle, go with the candle. Okay, and right now market is standing in a 2494 2495 area. Okay, So if market goes down, if we see the market is going down, okay, before US session, okay, we have two support levels where we can look for a quick bounce. How much we can expect? 40 pips. Okay, and SL also 40 pips. And why before US session only? Because US session will bring news will bring volume, and this is a very small level, minor level. Okay, it will not be able to hold the market. So during the Asian session or European session, we can look for support around 2486 and 2482. These are the two levels where we can look for a quick bounce as a scalper. Okay, as a scalper only. And why we are considering these two levels only? You can see 2482, sorry, 2482 area because of previous price rejection around this area, support around this area, plus we have the beloved FIBO 61.8 around this area, and 2586 because of FIBO 50% retracement level. So these are the two levels where we can look for a quick bounce, and keep in mind one level, one bounce only. Okay. And you can see I have another line drawn here around 2491, around 2491, this red line here. Okay, so if you see market is going down, if the selling pressure is high, then we can also look for a sell below 2491 as well. Okay, and whatever we have discussed, okay, these are for day trading or scalping only. This is not the ideal market for swing traders or position traders right now, because tomorrow we have NFP. So try to be patient. After NFP, if market takes a direction, then positional traders and swing traders can jump in. And right now, if you're stuck in any position, then you can continue with the position. It doesn't matter whether you're stuck in a buy or sell, because in sideways market, okay, market gives you an exit. Okay, you will get a chance to exit, but keep in mind, do not be greedy. Try to exit, whether if you're stuck on a buy or if you're stuck on a sell. Again, I'm repeating, before US session, okay, if we see market going up, we can look for a sell around 240708, or we can look for a sell around 241617 area. These are the two FIBO levels, okay, where we can look for a sell. And if market goes down, we can look for a quick bounce as a scalper down 248682 area. And if market breaks 2491 level with high selling pressure, we can look for a sell below it. Keep this in mind. These are the levels, these are levels, minor levels. They will not work during the US session. Only level that will work during the US session is sell below 2491. Because here we will be going with the flow. Here we will be taking advantage of the situation. In simple words, the reversal trades, okay, reversal trades do not work when the volume is very high. But reversal trades work very well when the volume is, sorry, not reverse. Reversal trades do not work when the volume is very high. But the continuation trades, like the flag pattern, okay, these trades work very well when the volume is high. Okay. So for reversal trades, low volume is preferred. For breakout or breakdown trades, high volume is preferred. Got my point? If you're confused, I think I just confused you guys. Sorry. Okay. Anyways, thanks a lot from the bottom of my heart for watching my videos. Press the like button. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. See ya tomorrow.